Hey, good morning, traders. It's Tuesday. Right now, it's almost 7 a.m. here in the East Coast. Uh, no special news this morning, but there is a large range that was established overnight. If you take a look here, I think it's starting from 4:30 in the morning this morning. That's 41.61. It went down as low as 41.31. So it's a 30-point range. Large range. So it looks like there may be some good trading opportunities here this morning. I drew some lines here. I do see a kind of like a downtrend line, a longer term downtrend line here. Drew some support and resistance levels here. Just looking at the chart here, looks like this is bouncing off this 31 level here. This may go down here. We'll see what happens. Let's draw another horizontal line here. There's potential level of resistance here. Right there is a potential level of resistance. No trades yet. Going long is a little bit on the risky side in my opinion right now, because it is a little bit extended after this move. This pop here, starting from 652 till now. This pop is pretty big. I wouldn't go short either here. At least not yet. There's a new 15-minute bar forming here. But there is a lot of moves happening. A lot of moves. Yesterday there was a huge sell-off, literally like 20 minutes after I decided to sign off. But this drop here is going to cause us to have a lot of trading opportunities. In my opinion, there seems to be a lot of moves that I could potentially grab here. It's hugging this trend line here. Alright, so I'm going to patiently wait here. Patiently wait. Alright, I'm going to go short here. Give me one moment here. Yeah, I'm going to go short here. Potentially. Yeah, I'm going to go short here. Alright, I'm going to try to get profits at around 36. Yeah, this is a good shorting opportunity here. Oh, a lot of buyers just kept coming up, but it didn't go up on the tape. You know what? Let me take some off. Yeah. Maybe I could have held longer. I'm just, yeah, I could have potentially held longer here. My issue now is holding here, but I was a little bit shady. I was looking for a faster move down here, so I just... Now, the reason why I decided to go short here was it was trending. It was right below the 9-period moving average. This longer term downtrend line was definitely holding here. There was a lot of buyers stepping up while the market wasn't going up, so that's why I decided to make a trade. Now, here is going to be a little bit iffy here. I also sold it relatively quickly because I didn't like the fact that it didn't go down as fast as I thought it would. That's the reason for closing that profit. But a profit is a profit. But I got to learn how to hold it longer here. There's a sell off here. Got to be very careful here. But there are moves now. This market is very good market for trading opportunities after that dump that we saw yesterday. After like 45 minutes after the open yesterday, give or take. So it was what time was it? Oh, yesterday. Yesterday was the 19th, 9:30. That's PM. Yeah, so literally, if I just waited for another 20 minutes, there could have been a lot of trading opportunities. As you can see, I was literally trading in this range here, and I didn't suspect anything to happen. As soon as I literally few minutes, like 15 minutes or so minutes, this sell-off started to happen here. So after that, a lot has happened since then. Yeah. A lot has happened since then. Okay, the buyers are coming in strong. They're trying to break this downtrend line here, and they have been successful. Yeah, I'm thinking about going along here, but not just yet. Not just yet. But I am definitely leaning towards along here. Yeah, not just yet. No reason to hop in trades here yet. It's 41.75 is going to be a key level here in the short term. Alright, buyers are coming in. Stepping up to the plate. 40, so there are these three lines here, potential levels of support and resistance here. Yeah, no matter what, I'm going to force myself to trade it till at least 8 a.m. today. You know what? What I'm gonna start doing, because the past few sessions it's been under 30 minutes. I'm gonna at least stay recording for at least 40 minutes here, because I don't want to miss moves like that. What just happened yesterday? That was a huge move. Not saying I would have been profitable, but the ranges were more attractive to trade if I just waited for another 20 minutes or so. So I'm gonna try to stay recording for a little bit longer than I expect to here. Now it's kind of getting choppy now. Definitely getting choppy. One good thing about slow markets is that you could read the tape more easier in terms of like the speed of it. So it's the one good thing. I don't have to filter it out. Yeah, the 41.75 to the 31.25. It's going to be a crucial level here. Two crucial levels, 41.75, 41.75, 31.75. Yeah, 31.75. Got 10-point range. Not bad. Not bad of a range. Sellers coming in. Buyer stepping up now. Yeah, it looks like it really wants to go higher here. Yep, boom. Okay, new 15-minute bar. Okay. Yeah, the bulls are really trying to reverse this downside here. Okay, sell off. Yeah, the bears are really strong. This may be a flag in a deeper downtrend potentially. Potentially. Let me extend this to 1 hour. Let's look at the long-term chart here. Kind of extend it out. Yeah, this low is a key level here. 31. Change this to 30-minute. Let's go back to 15-minute. Let's extend this out. Delete this line here. Not this line. This line here. Trend line. Normally, in the past, I would have short here, but because this move is extended after making this little tiny double top here, it's an extended down move so far. So shorting would be a high risk, low reward situation if I were to short there. But for breakout traders, this is a good short. I just personally want to short here. I want to go long here either, though. To be clear, just not gonna make any trades here. Potential support here at 35.75. Oh, look at the buyers just coming up to the plate. Look at these big prints. That was a reason why I popped. This is actually okay. All right, give me one moment. Should I go long? That tape that was actually kind of shady still going along because of this potential resistance here. But that big print, buy print, I don't know yet. Yeah, going along there too because it's right under the 9 period moving average and at this potential place of resistance here. It's gonna be a chop fest here. I'm still gonna wait it out for at least another 9 plus like another 20 minutes here at least. So it's coming. Oh, that was a fake out. Yep. And to think I was considering long, but once I saw these resistance levels, I was hesitant to do so. Yeah, there's a lot of indecision. A lot of indecision here. Look at this. Boom. Pump, dump. Pump. This is too much right now. This is a little bit too much for me right now. Okay. Alright. Excuse me. Now my bias has changed more towards the short side here. The way this price action is trading right now. Leaning more towards the short side, but you know, there's delta here. Broke this trend line on this support on the delta. Just because I'm leaning more towards short doesn't mean I'm gonna short though. It just means that for now, based on the price action, that's how it's looking like here. No trades, no trades yet. This looks like a rounded top here. A rounded top pattern. Yeah, and head and shoulders. It's looking very bearish, you know. In the short term, very bearish. This 9-period moving average is acting as resistance. The reason why I don't want to short though, even though it's bearish, is because of this potential level of support here. This line that I've drawn. And yep, the buyer stepped up right there. Which is going to cancel this pattern that I was beginning to see. This head and shoulders pattern. So failed move comes fast moves. The bears couldn't push it down to complete that bearish pattern, and then the bull just stepped up to the plate here. These lines that I've drawn are acting very good support. So these support and resistance lines that are drawn appears to be acting correctly here, or acting at these levels that I've drawn here. Looking at myself years ago, there's so many times I would have jumped in and out based on all the move that was happening here. Even this choppiness, I would have been chopped up to bits and pieces if I was my old self here. And the sellers just come on. Now it's just, look at this. Sellers are coming in. It's very choppy. Very choppy. Once it breaks out of this tight range, it's going to go big in one way, one direction, either very far down or very far up. This range that it's creating here. Five-point range. Five-point range in almost 30 minutes. I'll be patient for another 12 minutes. If nothing happens, if I don't see any opportunities, I might call it, but I'm going to at least wait another 12 minutes into this session here. The second 15-minute bar is going to close in about a minute. Less than 30 seconds before the 15-minute bar closes. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15-minute bar closes. Alright. And buyer stepping up. it just got stuck in this range. Once this sell-off happened here, there's a battle between bears and bulls here, between these two levels that I've drawn. It looks like this level here, if you look to the right, this level here, we just entered the chop zone. Just my luck. Just my luck. Yeah, we'll give it another 9 minutes. So the past, let's see, yeah, that's 5. Yeah, the past 15 minutes to range. Range is really tight. 39.50. 3.5 range. Yeah, it's hard to trade in a range like this, especially if it's moving slow and it's stuck in a very tight range. It's hard to trade. You're just gonna get chopped up. Not only are you gonna pay commissions just left and right, you're just gonna get, there's gonna be no movement. Now for swing traders, this could be a nice low risk, high reward opportunity. You'd buy around here right now. Right now, buying here is fine, and put a stop a little bit below this low here, and then try to grab all this. So it's like what the risk would be 8 points to win, like around 16 points, a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio for a swing trade. But clearly, I'm just day trading here, so. And day trading is a little bit different, or a lot different. Just the time frame has changed. Okay, the bulls are stepping up now. The buyers decided to wake up here. Okay, this is a pretty big move. That would have been a good long right there at the 32-minute mark. 732 would have been a good long here in retrospect. It's hard to go long now because of this extended move in the short term. It's hard to go short because this could be a potential pop-up from here too. This could be a long-term trend reversal as well, so it's not a good risk-reward candidate here. Yeah, not a good risk reward candidate here. Oh, look at this pop. Okay. Decided to wake up. Yeah, this 4175 is a key level here. It's a key level. I'm gonna remove these drawings here now. Let's remove it. Remove all drawings. Yeah, this is a key level, 4175. It's in the midpoint. One more minute before I decide to extend this session. Yeah, this is extended. Breaking of trend line, but still above the 9-period moving average, so I can't short. Doesn't go along with some of my rules here. Alright, so it's been 42 minutes. It's either long, yeah, I don't know. It's another key level. I could see it dropping off below here too. Alright, I'm going to end this session now. Waited 10 minutes. I had a pretty good idea. Waited long enough. It's my longest session in a while. Past few trading sessions, but I'm gonna call it here. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like these type of videos, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.